हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम एक कमाल करने वाले हैं. ओके, यू कैन सी ऑल दीज बेवरेजेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. So starting from here we have brandy with us, then we have whiskey, then we have tequila, then we have dark rum, then we have vodka, then we have liqueur, that is Malibu, that's a coconut flavor liqueur, and the base is rum, and then we are using a peach syrup by Monin. Okay, and over here I have lemon juice and I have sugar syrup with me. So we are going to add these ingredients all together and let's see what comes up. Okay, so let's see what we are going to get out of all these beverages together. Okay, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है boys. So watch this video till the end and let's see what do we get out of all these ingredients when we mix them. What is the taste? Will it taste good? Will it taste bad? We don't know. So let's see. Okay, it's a kind of experiment. देखते हैं क्या पता चलता है हमको इस सबको मिक्स करने के बाद. So first I am going to add dark rum into it. Okay, so that is 30 ml I am going to add. Okay, so all the beverages that I will be adding will be 30 ml only. So let's do it quickly. Now I am adding whiskey. Okay, I am using a specific brand. You can use any other brand of your choice. I don't know what will happen to this drink. Added 30 ml, adding Malibu, this is going to be something. Vodka also got into it, and now I'm adding the Monin syrup. Okay, to give it a little flavor of peach. Okay, because there's so much of alcohol into it, this will give a little flavor to the. And the last is the brandy that I am going to add into it. Okay, so that's the mixing of all the ingredient into it. I am going to shake it into the cocktail shaker and let's see what magic happens into this. Give it a shake. Okay, wow, I'm using a old fashioned glass, a rock glass over here, and I'll put some ice into it first. Okay, and then I'm going to add some lemon juice and some sugar syrup into it, and then I am going to pour the drink. Okay, let's garnish it. I am going to put a mint sprig over it, and I am going to put a lime slice. I don't know what I have prepared, but this looks really amazing, and this will hit hard because there's so much of alcohol into it. And it's not for everybody. It's not definitely for everybody. The taste is amazing. Okay, so very fresh, and the alcohol will hit you in the end. Yeah, and all the flavors of Malibu which we have used, and the flavor of the peach syrup that we use, they are balancing the alcohol, and this is something that you should try sometime, okay, at your home. Yeah, Lovely. Thank you everybody. If you like the recipe, please share with your friends, and please subscribe the channel as well if you have already not subscribed it. Thank you.